All right, good morning. The SPOOs are pre-market here 1086, been as high as 1087.75, and we are up. Last night, as we were going to bed, we were trading around that 1076 level. Another 10 points up from there. Apple, great news. Everything is rosy and cheery. Not everything is Apple, but the market likes it. That's where we are. IBM missed, Intel beat. Texas Instruments missed. Again, very mixed bag as we cross here in the night as far as earnings go. I think this earnings set was, for me, I expected it to be good, and it continues to be decent. But I think the next October time frame is going to be the one that's tough to beat. So all this in here is just kind of noise because July of '09 was easy to beat. October of '09 was not so much. That was 6 months off the bottom, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult moving ahead here. The euro right now trading 128.10, down about 100 pips. Again, the dollar gaining strength on the FOMC injection model. Another model, instead of cutting rates, they're basically going to fine banks 0.5% if they don't lend. At a clip is basically my understanding of it. Oil, again, moving back up, 78.40. It's been on a slow grind up here really since the 4th of July, 71 up to 78, 10% move up to the upside on oil. Lumber hanging around $200, not looking pretty at all. Again, that peaked here this spring at 337. Once the federal easy money, $8,000 for new home buyers was over, this thing has been over and has been testing the lows of the year, is coming near again here at 163. We got down to about 183 again recently, but not much changing on the lumber chart, which does not produce nice things for the upside. As far as Apple, it's going to gap open this morning, close around, where did it close? 252, looks like 265 right now. Again, 279 was the recent high in the last 20 days. My bet is we won't get over that 279, and this is a great sell opportunity. Sell the news. Matter of fact, that 264 level is basically the 61.8 retrace from the last 20 days. That's 279 down to call it 239, that 40-point move. So right here, we're sitting on a key point. It's all in the close today on that. We'll see how that is doing. That is it. So again, SPOOs this morning, 1086.75 as we come to the open. You got plenty of resistance overhead. Again, we talked about this before. Not only 1100, which we stopped at before, but you've got some areas up there. 1130, 1150, and 1170. I doubt we get over all those levels completely. We could bounce again one more time. We might have one more good fall bounce, but we've got a lot of layers of resistance overhead, and that's where we see them and trade them well. Peace. Pivot this morning, 1071, way above the pivot, almost two percentage points above the pivot. See ya.